I woke up to $45,000 in sales. Is what I wish happened.
Last night, I had the most realistic dream ever that my business went viral. And in this dream, I was just watching my Shopify page of all these people on my website and sale after sale after sale coming in. And at the end of this spurt of sales, it came to $45,000. And in my dream, I even went as far as to how I was going to delegate the money that I made and where it was going to go. Like, it was hyper realistic, guys. And I'm not gonna lie that when I woke up, I was sad. Instantly went to go check my website and saw I had made 0 sales overnight. I think this just goes to show that how much business owners think about their businesses, to the point where it just literally consumes every moment of your being, whether you're awake or sleeping. So I'm gonna manifest making $42,000 in one day, because why the fuck not? Okay, I need to bring myself back to reality. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.